Hi guys, welcome to my series IGCSE past paper. Today I am going to solve extended maths paper 2 May-June 2024. Let's start with first question. First question is, the temperature at midnight is minus 4 degrees Celsius. The temperature at noon is 25 degrees Celsius. Work out the difference between these two temperatures. So we need to find, it's an easy part. So this will be 25 degree minus 4 degree, that is equal to 29 degree Celsius. So our answer is 29 degree. So basically it is on a number line, it is minus 4, this is minus 4, and suppose this is 0 and this is 25. So we have to find this difference. So it will be 29 degree, right? Next, second question. A gardener charged $6.55 for each hour he worked plus a fixed charge for $15.50. Calculate the total amount he charged when he worked for the 4 hours. So this is the fixed amount he charged, and we for 4 hours he charged for this per hour, right? So we have to find the total amount. So total amount will be equal to this will be equal to 4 into 6.55 plus 15.50. So this will be equal to 26.20 plus 15.50, which is equal to 41.70. So our answer is dollar. This is $. So this is 41.70. Next, third question. A delivery driver record the number of pizzas she delivers each month for 1 year. Okay, complete the stem and leaf diagram. So we have to do it in ascending order, right? So first will be 2, 22, 1, this 28 and 22, right? So this will be 2 and this is 8. For 3 it is 36 and 39. So 6 and 9, right? Next will be 4. This will be 48, 44, 41 and 49. So it is 41, 44, 48 and 49. Next is 57, 52, 54 and 57 again. Then 52, 54, 57 and 57, right? This will be our answer. Next is find the median. So total is 12. So median will be 6th and 7th term, right? Total our this is 12, 6th term and 6th term plus 7th term over 2. This will be 6th term will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 44 and 7th will be 48. So which will be 44 plus 48 divided by 2. This is equal to 92 by 2, which is equal to 46. So median will be 46. Right? Next question number 4. Jonah has $750. He spent 1/4 of this money on travel and some of this money on food. He now had this. Work out the fraction of $750 he spent on food. So first we need to find the amount he spent on food. So on travel he had spent 1/4. So 1/4 will be 1/4 of 750. So for travel, 1/4 of 750, which will be equal to, we will use the calculator and find it, 187.50, right? So remaining he had 437.50. So total of this is 625.00. So on food, he spent money on food. For food, he had spent, the money will be 750 minus 625, which is equal to 125, right? So we have to work out the fraction. So fraction will be 125 divided by 750, which is 1/6. So our answer is 1/6. Next, question number 5. The table shows the part of tram timetable. All the tram take the same number of minutes to complete the journey from the new point to a West Hill. Complete the table. So complete this. So time taken, this is 30 plus 17, that is 47 minutes. So it takes 47 minutes, right, to complete the journey from new point to this is 47 minutes. So 12 hour 118 plus 47, this will be 15, 1 carry 6.12. So it is 65 minutes. So we will take it as 1 hour. So that will be 13.05. So our answer will be 13.05, right? Next is question number 6. Write this correct to two significant figure. So first significant place will be 4, second will be 6, and third will be 2. So in 2 SF answer will be 0.046, because it is less than 5. Next, third place is less than 5, so it will be same. Next question number 7. On a Venn diagram, shade the region A union B. So we need to shade the region A union B. Very easy question paper. Next is question number 8. K invest $5,000 in an account, pay simple interest at the rate of R% per year. At the end of 8 years, the value of the investment is this. So find the value of R. So interest will be equal to, so interest is, this is equal to amount minus principal, right? So this will be equal to 5,700 minus 5,000, so which is equal to 700. So interest, this is equal to principal into rate of interest into time by 100. So interest we have 700, this is equal to principal we have 5,000 into rate of interest is small r into time is 8 year over 100. So we will cut this to, this is equal to 700 divided by 50 into 8. This will be equal to R. So we will use the calculator here, which R will be equal to 1.75%. So our answer is 1.75%. Next question. Question number 9. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So for this, as we can see, it is enlargement. So for enlargement, we will require two things, right? One is center of enlargement and other other is scale factor. So first we will write the enlargement and enlargement and center of enlargement at center of enlargement. This is let us check the center of enlargement. So let's join all the first mark the point. This is A, this will be B, this will be C. This will be again A dash, this is B dash, this will be C dash. Let's join C dash with C. Right. So, and A with A dash, A with A dash, right, and B with B dash. So it will be 1 and minus 1. So center of enlargement will be, I think I am not done correctly with this. Let me do it again. Oh, yes. Right. So it is 1 and minus 1. So center of enlargement is 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1. And we have to find the scale factor. Scale factor will be scale factor of, let's, this is OC dash over me OC. Now OC dash will be, this is equal to 6 over 3, which is equal to 2. So our scale factor is 2. Next is on a grid, draw the image of a triangle A after a translation by the vector minus 4 and 3. This is the horizontal movement and this is the vertical movement. So minus 4 means it is left hand side. Let me change the color of my pen first. So minus 4, that means A will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3 up. 1, 2, 3. So one point will be, this will be A double dash. Right, second will be B. B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This will be our B point, right? And C will be 1 above the A point. So this will be C. So our triangle will be this. Right? You can do it with nicely, right? So this will be our answer. Right? Next question. Question number 10. 10 is write 1,74,000 in a standard form. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. That is equal to 1.74 into 10 raised to the power 5. So our answer is 1.74 into 10 raised to the power 5. Right? Next is question number 11. The company survey 40 of its employees. In a survey, 3 employees say they walk to work. The company has total of 1,240 employees. Find the expected number of employees in a company who walk to work. So for this, for three here we will take the walk, and here will be employee, right? So for out of 40 employees, 3 walks, right? So x will be walk for 1,440. We will do the cross multiply, right? So for this it is equal to 240 into 3 divided by 40. This will be equal to x. Now we will use the calculator here. So x will be equal to x 93. So 93 employee will walk. So this will be our answer. Now question number 12. The diagram shows the right angle triangle. Calculate the value of x. So here we will use the trigonometric ratios. So cos x will be equal to, this is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is equal to 8.5 by 14. So x will be equal to cos inverse of 8.5 by 14. We will use the calculator here. So x will be approximately equal to 52.616. So x will be equal to 52.62. Our answer is 52.62 degree. Right? Next question number 13. Without using the calculator, work out this. So you must show all your working. Give your answer as a mixed number in a simplest form. Right? Then this will be equal to 9 by 4 divided by 8 plus 1 7 15. 15 by 8. 9 by 4 into 8 by 15. We can this to 3 5. This will be equal to 6 by 5. So now this is equal to 6 by 5. This is equal to 1 by 5. So our answer is 1 by 5. Next is question number 14. Question number 14. A is a point 0 to B is the point this. Correct. Find the equation of the line AB. Give your answer in a form of y is equal to mx plus c. Here y intercept is 2. Right? So c is equal to c. This is equal to 2. Now m will be equal to m m, this is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and this will be equal to 6 minus 2 over 8 minus 0 is equal to 4 by 8. This is equal to 1 by 2. So y will be equal to 1 by 2x plus 2. So our equation is this. So y will be equal to 1 by 2x plus 2. Next, question number 15. 15 is three towns A, B, C are equidistant from each other. So the bearing of C from A is this. Calculate the bearing of B from C. So let's construct the north on each. This is our north for this, and let's take this as a north. This is no. Now what the bearing of C from A is 104. So this is 104 degree given. So what we have to find? Bearing of B from C. So we have to find this. And what else is given? Three towns A, B, C are, these are equidistant, means equilateral triangle. Each angle 60 degree. So this will be, let's change the color of my pen. This is 60 degree. This is again 60. So we need to find this, and this will be equal to 180 minus 104, which will be equal to 76 degree. Now this is easy part, very easy part. So let's do it on a paper, right? So bearing of B from C, this is equal to 360 degree minus bracket 76 plus 60. So which is equal to 360 degree minus bracket 136, and this will be equal to 136. This will be equal to 224. So this will be our answer, 224 degree. Next question, question number 16. The speed time graph shows the information about the car journey. Find the deceleration of a car between this time. So basically we have to find the acceleration, this one. Deceleration and accelerations are same. So what is the acceleration? So acceleration, this will be equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over change of time. So final velocity will be 0. This will be 0, right? And here it will be a 16. So 0 minus initial velocity is 16 over change in time is this. So 320 minus 240, this will be equal to 80. So this will be 80. This is minus 16 over 80, which will be equal to 0.2 minus 0.2 meter per second square, but we have to ignore the minus sign because it is a deceleration. So 0.2 will be our answer. Right. Next, calculate the total distance the car traveled during 320 seconds. So total distance will be area under the graph. So this will equal to the area under the graph. So it is a trapezium. So area of trapezium this will be equal to 1 by 2 bracket a plus b into height. So here a plus b will be the parallel side of trapezium, right? So and height will be this one. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 bracket here this is 320 plus this will be 240, this length will be 240 minus 30, which is equal to 210. So 210 into height will be 16. So and this will be equal to 1 by 2 into 530 into 16, and this will be equal to 4240 meter, right? Next question number 17. 17 is W is equal to student who walk to the school, and G student who wear the glasses. There are 20 students in a class. So 8 walk to the school, that is W, and 3 wear the glasses and walk to the school, that means it is a W intersect with G, and 2 do not wear the glasses and do not walk to the school, so it is out. So 2 will be here in a universal set, right? So and in intersection it is 3. Total number who walk to the school is 8, so that will be 5. And now 5 3 8 plus 2 10, we are 10 students left with here it will be a 10, right? Next question will be question number 18. The graph of y is equal to fx is drawn on a grid. Draw the tangent to a graph at the point x is equal to 3. So we need to draw the tangent at x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3, we need to draw the tangent. Scale we will take x is equal to 3. This will be the point. Here we will mark the tangent. Right. So x is equal to 3. The tangent will be like this. And next, use the tangent to find the estimate of the gradient. So gradient will be equal to this will be equal to vertical over horizontal. Vertically it is 10.2 over this is 4, this is horizontal, this 4 minus 2 2, which is equal to 5.1. So this is 5.1. Next, question number 19. 2. Next, question number 19. Y is directly proportional to x minus 1 square. When x is equal to 4, y is 3. Find the y when x is equal to 7. So it is directly proportion. So y is directly proportion to x minus 1 square. So y will be equal to k times x minus 1 square. So we will substitute all the values to find the value of k. So y is 3 equal to bracket 4 minus 1 square. So k will be equal to 3 over 3 square. So k will be equal to 1 by 3. Now k is 1 by 3. So we have to find the value of y when x is equal to 7. So y is equal to k times x minus 1 square. So y will be equal to 1 by 3 bracket 7 minus 1 square. Y will be equal to 1 by 3. 6 carries into 36, which is y will be equal to 12. So y is equal to 12 is our answer. B part. M is inversely proportional to the square root of p. Explain what happened to the value of m when the value of p is multiplied by 9. So it is inversely proportional. M is inversely proportional to the square root of p. So m is inversely proportional to the square root of p. So m will be equal to k by root of p. So explain what happened to the value of m when the value of p is multiplied by 9. So m will be equal to k over root of 9p. So m will be equal to k over 3 root p. So it is divided by 3. So what happened to the value of m? So m will be divided by 3. Right. So next question number 20. Two parcels are mathematically similar. The larger parcel has the volume 80 centimeter cube and the height is 5.2 centimeter. The smaller parcel has the volume 33.75 centimeter cube. Calculate the height of a smaller parcel. So in this question we need to find the height of a smaller parcel. Right? So this volume of the smaller parcel over volume of the larger parcel, this will be equal to height of a smaller parcel over height of a larger parcel cube. We will substitute all the values, that is 33.75 over 80. This will be equal to height of a smaller over 5.2 cube. So this is 33.75 over 80 cube root. This will be equal to height of a smaller over 5.2. So this is cube root. So we will use the calculator here. This is equal to 3 by 4. This is equal to height of a smaller over 5.2. So height of a smaller, this will be equal to 3 into 5.2 over 4. So this will be equal to 3.9 centimeter. So our answer is 3.9. Next is 21. Solve the simultaneous equation. You must show all your working. So this is the linear equation. This is the quadratic. So we will substitute linear in quadratic. So from this y will be 4y. This will be equal to 13 minus 3x. And y will be equal to 13 minus 3x divided by 4. We will substitute this value in quadratic, this value, right? So this is 13 minus 3x by 4. This will be equal to x square minus 18. So 13 minus 3x, this will be equal to 4x square minus 18 into 4 is 72. So we will take all these values there. So it will be 4x square plus 3x minus 72 minus 13. This is equal to 0. So this is 4x square plus 3x minus 85. This will be equal to 0. So from here we will use sum and product method. From this 4x square plus 20x minus 17x minus 85, this will be equal to 0. We will bring out 4x will be common factor, x plus 5, here minus 17, x plus 5, this will be equal to 0. Now 4x minus 17 and x plus 5, this is equal to 0. From here 4x minus 17 is equal to 0 and x plus 5, this will be equal to 0. Now from here x will be equal to 17 by 4 and here the x will be equal to minus 5. So and 4y, we will substitute this values in this. So 4y, this will be equal to 13 minus 3x. So 4y, this will be equal to 13 minus 3 bracket 17 by 4 and here 4y, this will be equal to 13 minus 3 into minus 5, right? So I don't have the space here. So 4y will be equal to 13 minus 51 by 4 and for here it is 4y will be equal to 13 plus 15. So 4y here will be equal to 52 minus 51 by 4 and y will be equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Y will be equal to 1 by 16 and here 4y will be equal to 28 and y will be equal to 7. So when x is equal to minus 17 by plus 17 by 4, y is 1 by 16 and here when x is equal to minus 5, y is 7. So this will be our answer. So when x is equal to when x is 17 by 4, y will be 1 by 16 and when x is minus 5, y will be 7. Right? Next will be question number 22. From each sketch, put ring around the correct type of fractions shown. Right. So for this, first we will see linear. For linear, it is a straight line graph. Let me give you small description for all. Let me change the color of my pen. Color I will take the black color. For this is the linear. For cubic, this is the cubic graph should be like this way. So this is the cubic graph, so we can ring it is a cubic graph. For quadratic, it is parabola graph, that is a U-shaped graph, right? For reciprocal, it is, this is for quadratic. Next, for reciprocal, it is this type of graph is for reciprocal, and for exponential, it is this type of graph, exponential. So this is the cubic graph, and next will be the exponential graph. And next is the reciprocal graph. Sorry. Yes. Next question number B part. B part, on a grid, sketch the curve y is equal to sin x for 0, x is greater than 0 and less than 360. So for this, let's make the coordinate points. First we will mark in between this. This will be approximately 90 and this will be 270. Right? So we will first make the coordinate points. This will be x, this will be y. When x is 0, sin 0 will be 0. When x is 90 degree, sin 90 is 1. When 180 degree, sin 180 is again 0. Sin 270, it will be -1. And at 360, it is 0. Right? Now we will make the graph for this. This is the, at 90, it is 1. Again this. Then 270, it is -1. And this is 360. This is like that. Right? Next is second part. Solve the equation sin x is equal to 0.4 is equal to 0. Right? So sin x will be equal to -0.4. So x will be equal to sin inverse of -0.4. So x will be equal to, you will use the calculator, minus 23.58 degree. So this minus sign shows that it is in fourth quadrant, right? Sine, this is all, this for sine, this for tan, and this for cos. Here cos positive, here all positive, here sine positive, here tan positive. So x theta is negative. So negative means it is in third and fourth quadrant. So for in third quadrant, it is x will be equal to, for third quadrant it is 180 plus theta, that is 23.58. So which is equal to 203.58, and here the x will be equal to, in fourth quadrant it is 360 minus 23.58 quadrant, which is for 33 336.42. In 3SF, our answer will be 204 degree and 336. Right? Next is question number 23. The Venn diagram shows the information about the number of students in a class. Some studies the English, some studies the French, some Spanish, and some do not study any of the language. Find the number of elements in E union F complement union with S. Right. So In this first we will find this E union F complement. E union F means this part, right? So this part is the E union F, and we need to find the complement. So complement part will be, I will take the mm, another I will take yellow, and complement part will be this portion, right? We have to make the union with again S. So S means we have to include the S part also. So this will be also included, plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. So this will be 15. Next is one student is picked at random from those who study the Spanish. Okay, find the probability that this student study exactly the two language. So we need to pick up from the Spanish. So total number of student in Spanish is Spanish will be 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 10, right? So find the probability that this student study exactly the two languages. So two languages studied by 2 plus 3, that is 5. So our probability will be, this will be equal to 5 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 2. So our answer is 1 by 2. Next is question number 24. This is the last question of our this paper. So O is the origin, OPQR is the parallelogram, M is the midpoint of PQ, N is divide QR into ratio 1. So OP is A, OR is B. Find MN vector. So first let's describe all the lengths. So M is the midpoint. So this will be, direction will be this, because it is a parallelogram. M is the midpoint. So this will be B by 2, and this will be also B by 2. Now this is 2 ratio 1. Here the direction will be this will be 1 by 3 A, and this is 2 by 3 A, right? Right. So we need to find the MN vector. So MN vector, MN vector, this will be equal to an MQ vector plus QN vector. So MQ vector will be B by 2 plus Qn vector will be minus 2 by 3 A. So our answer will be B by 2 minus 2 by 3 A, right? Next is the B part. The line MN and QR are extended to meet at S. Find the position vector of the S. Give your answer in a term of A and B and in its simplest form, right? So we need to find OS vector. So OS vector, this will be equal to OR vector plus RS vector. Basically we have to find RS vector because OR vector we know it's equal to B. So for RS vector we will take two triangles. Let me explain you this way. In triangle MQN and NRS, this angle M, this is equal to this alternate angle, and the angle Q is equal to R. This is again alternate angle, and this N and this, these are vertical opposite angle. So triangle, we can say that triangle triangle RNS is similar to triangle QNM. By AAE theorem. Right? So by this Rn over Qn, this will be equal to Rs over Qm. So we will substitute Rn. Rn is 1 by 3a, 1 by 3a over 2 by 3a. This will be equal to Rs over 1 by 2b. Now we can cut this. Now 3 will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 2b. This will be Rs. So Rs, this is equal to 1 by 4b. Now OS vector, this will be equal to b plus 1 by 4b. OS vector, this will be equal to 5 by 4b. So our answer is 5 by 4b. Now this is all. We are finished with this paper. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. Please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.